Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So we're looking at page 40, and these are the accelerators, and these are the ones where you jump from other sections of the book into the back to get some extra exercises. Two and three and Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.